Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Simply Blessed. Today's video is going to be an easy Eid makeup tutorial, and this is the look which I am creating today. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. I have already moisturized my face and lips, and for the foundation I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And by using a damp beauty blender, I am blending the foundation. To set the foundation in place, I am using this loose finishing powder from Maybelline. And for my eyebrows, I am using this brow filler from MAC, and to fill it in, I am using this angular brush. For the eye shades, I am using this beautiful palette from Huda Beauty, and using this shade called Momentum, I am setting a base for the eyeshadow, and later on moving to this shade called Karma and just blending the eye shades in. And to give it a glittery finish, I am using this shade called Cosmic from this palette. Here I am using the Lakme eyeliner to draw a very simple eyeliner look. And later on, using an angular brush, I am taking a darker shade from the palette and just filling the lower lash line. And I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal here. And then moving on to do my eyelashes, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. For the blush, I am taking the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo. And now I am moving on to highlight the high points of my face. And for my lips, I am using this absolutely gorgeous shade from Smashbox called the Driver's Seat. So that was today's video. Wishing all of you a very safe Eid. Stay safe. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, take care, stay blessed. Bye.